Hey everyone, it's Brad and my puppy Bear. Yeah, I don't know. He has to follow me to the shop. He likes it out here. Okay, so I don't know. I thought last night that I'd do a good thing and take and clean the engine of the truck all up pretty. Like, I haven't washed it under here for years and years. And it looks a ton better. Like it does. Looks almost like new under here for a 30-year-old truck. Pretty impressed. Used a little bit of cleaner on it. Little bit of hand spray cleaner, but I went thoroughly on the wash part, and yeah, I gotta clean this intake and stuff up. That'll be one of my projects, is to get the injection and stuff off, and either that or put a different intake on. But I don't know, I can get an Edelbrock to clean that up, that fits the injection. Either that or get rid of injection and go to carburetor to keep everything for collector reasons, I guess, and bring some life to the old motor. I don't know. I want to fix up the AC, and they've got a kit online that it's $250 for a AC rebuild kit. Pretty good deal on Rock Auto. I don't know if anybody out there that might be watching has used one of the kits or not, but you can get either a Delco rebuild compressor, or you can get a compressor manufactured by numerous manufacturers, which I probably wouldn't go for. I think I'd probably go for the Delco rebuild. I don't know. Comments? What anybody might think about that? Yeah, so I don't know. I'm just going to clean up under here. So what my next project is, though, I think, again, and so for collector purposes, I probably want to save things, but I'm thinking about getting rid of this pollution control and the air pump that's down below in here. Way down in the bottom there. Big apparatus, with all the, that's got all the pipes that go down underneath and pump there to each cylinder. You can see it here better on the passenger side. Yeah, all the plumbing there. That loops around the back of the motor, actually. Gets fed from over there. Comes to this side from the back, so it's not quite so ugly looking over here without the pump and all that other manifold, I guess you're going to call it, for the air pump. But I'm probably going to ditch that. This air pump has gone loud again. Like, I don't know. Maybe someone knows what to do with these. I don't know if you can oil the air pump, like put oil into it or what, but I already replaced it once. It's gotten loud again, and so I don't really want to replace it again. I don't know. I've been told I can just remove that and put on a belt straight around the AC here and on down to the lower pulley down there. I don't know what anybody thinks about that, knows about that. Yeah, please comment if you do. Anyway, so I gave this a really good wash. And lo and behold, when I went to leave the car wash, it was a little bit odd starting. And as I drove away or tried to drive away, it's cutting in and out like I was losing the power to the distributor or something along that line. So I'm hoping it's dried out today. And yeah, I'm going to set up here to give it a cold start and just see if it wants to run correctly or not. I'm going to start out with the camera at the back, so hang tough. Take a couple minutes and we'll give the little truck a flash and just see what happens. Okay. Check it out there. All right, well, here we go. Well, I think that sounds promising. Yeah, I was expecting possible startup troubles there, but I think that's sounding pretty good. I think things dried out. I had the motor warmed up good. So, yeah, I left the hood open so the moisture wouldn't build up underneath there, and just let it dry out. Yeah, so basically gonna call that a video there. I don't know, it's just a short one, but thought maybe we'd have some mishap along the way. But it's looking good, so yeah, I'm gonna carry on. Everybody have a good night. Okay, stay away from the COVID and just try to carry on life as normal as possible. Thanks. Hi, it's Brad. I'm back. I'm just doing a little puttering around on my grill. So this is what I've been cleaning at. And this is what is not clean. And depending on my results, like it's not dirty, it's I don't know. I've been told that the plastic loses the oils, natural oils. I don't know, I've been told different things, just kind of discolors. So, I don't know. It's an old truck, it's 30 years old, the plastic is getting older. So anyway, I don't know, I found something that I want to at least try with here. Before, after. It's looking pretty dang good, I have to say, so we'll see how it all works out. Yeah, before I go bragging about it or anything like that. We'll see how that looks again tomorrow. I'm gonna finish up this side here and then a little bit of elbow grease going into it, but I'll explain things later depending upon results. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. Happy Friday, and have a good weekend. Just here playing on the little SS truck. I'm my buddy Bear. Yeah, you always could be in the screen, don't you? Okay, bye everybody. Hi folks, we're back. So I did my little thing here with the grill. So I'm still not going to count my chickens till they've hatched, although it looks nice. Just want to see what happens once this sits for a day or two, because I've polished this with different items before, and you know, after a while it kind of went back to looking a little faded and that, but this looks pretty good right now. It actually shined it up pretty nicely. This is just like stuff on there, collecting stuff, but yeah, no, looks good. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. Like, share, and subscribe. We'll talk to you all in the next video. And I think that's going to be probably 1 or 2 days from now, and I'm going to post a video regarding something for sale. Something that some people might enjoy, maybe not everyone. But we'll have a little video on that anyway. So we'll talk to you in a couple days. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.